A pleasure to me all at last, and welcome back to HJN Season 3 Tiny Diecast Fury, where it's officially time that we get to talk about a fantasy model based off of an actual Pontiac Firebird. This is basically Hotbird. Yeah, not really a lot that I could talk about here. Just simply a Pontiac Firebird, specifically modified, so it could become a fantasy model. And how did they accomplish this? Well, they just trimmed off little sections of the roof, keeping only the stripes in the center. It still does have itself the Firebird logo on the front, where the hood is, and just has all the styling and all that good stuff to continue being a Firebird in its own right. But other than that, there's not much else left to discuss on this part. So if you want to see more, go down to my channel. Then make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, follow me on social media, and stay on the Hollywood side.